Health is wealth is a proverb, which means a lot to us. We can say that a happy life is directly proportional to health. Our life is a simple biological cycle, which depends on what we eat to survive. A strong mind and healthy body make a complete being. A wealthy person is not the one who has money, but the one who has health. According to famous poet Ralph Waldo Emerson, the first wealth is health. We must take care of several things if we want to stay healthy. Many factors play a part in keeping us healthy, for example air, water and sunlight. Fresh air helps us to strengthen our immune system. It regulates our blood pressure and heart rate. It clears our lungs and makes us healthy. At the same time, sunlight helps our body to produce vitamin D. Drinking plenty of clean water keeps us healthy and hydrated. We need to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Whereas, impure water is the biggest cause of several diseases. Above all, a balanced diet provides our body with all the necessary nutrients in the correct proportions so that our body could function properly. Our regular meal should have a balanced proportion of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and water. Nutritious and fiber-rich food, for example fruits and green vegetables, also play an important role in our overall health. Green vegetables are sources of vital nutrients. Fiber-rich food, such as whole grain wheat, bran, etc., helps us improve our digestive system. Physical exercise and sports are also very important in order to keep the body healthy. Exercise helps blood to circulate properly. We should never forget a famous saying, "Prevention is better than cure," in terms of staying healthy with the help of exercise. Lastly, cleanliness is the key to health. Without cleanliness, it is very difficult to maintain proper health. We should clean our house and our surrounding areas every day to avoid home flies and other insects. Our food needs to be covered. Simultaneously, personal hygiene is also compulsory. We should take a bath daily. We should wash our hands with soap after eating something and after using the toilet. We should brush our teeth twice a day to keep our mouth clean and free of disease. We should go for a morning walk to have some fresh air. Getting up early in the morning is equally necessary for good health. If we want to maintain our health, we should follow the principle early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Health is a blessing of Allah SWT. It is the greatest treasure and a source of happiness. Good health contributes to the emotional well-being and happiness of a person. Even with a limited income, a person with sound health can lead a peaceful and prosperous life.